to add or edit your business phone number on your TikTok account. Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial video how to do this. Just you need to watch and follow this video till the end. So first go and open your TikTok. It will open directly as everyone on your homepage as you can see right now. So come right now and open your profile and then open your edit profile here, and after this what you should do, go to business phone number, click on it and wait until it show you. It will take you to another page where you can add your business phone number. So you will just wait as I'm doing because my connection it's getting worse and worse, but it's okay. So you can wait, and from here guys you can add or edit your business phone number. So that's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.